O mankind, worship your Lord who created you and those before you, that you may become righteous. He who made for you the earth a bed and the sky a ceiling, and sent down from the sky rain and brought forth thereby fruits as portion for you.
Human beings are given the power to choose. They may follow their own desires, whims, or follow the divine guidance. Follow the wahi or ahwa. And this is a major concern now, that how we can pull down our desire. Muslihin and Mufsideen. Thus, this is the duty of all believers to take up corrective measures for improving the society and to ameliorate the condition of people. What we conclude that human beings are an integral and important component of nature, hence they are a natural entity, subjected fully to the laws of nature like any other entity, participating as an integral component in the overall environmental balance, that is mizan, that exists in the entire universe. And whoever goes beyond the limit of Allah, he indeed does injustice to his own soul. 29 says, and who is more erring than he who follows his low desires without any guidance from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Surely Allah does not guide the unjust. Who are the unjust people? Who are not doing justice to what the gifts Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given to them.